Good day, dear students. So, your activity A is already given to you. Kindly complete it in your textbook, page number 2021. Now, before moving to your next activity, sit straight, join your hands, pray for 2 seconds, and then we'll move on to the next activity. Yes, open your eyes. Now, complete these sentences. So, here 5 sentences are given to you. That is, all the children were. Milling thought that no one had. She also thought that the dragon. When Milling climbed the mountain for the first time. When Milling climbed the mountain for the second time. Now, to complete these activities or to complete these sentences, first you have to read your textbook. So, before doing this activity, kindly go through your lesson once again. And after that, you can complete both these activities. Because for both these activities, you have to read your textbook. So, kindly find it. That is, activity B, complete these sentences and see who said these words and why. So, to complete it, first read your lesson. Now, you have discuss in class. Let's see what it is. Why do you think Milling wanted to invite the dragon to her birthday? Write 3 words to describe her. So, no one was ready to talk to dragon. Everyone was afraid. Okay. So, when others were afraid, this little Milling went to invite dragon. So, how can you describe Milling? You can only use 3 words. Which words will you use? In lesson it's given Milling is a kind girl. Okay, because she spoke to the dragon kindly. So the first word you can use is kind. Kind, kind. Then what else can you say about Milling? She is friendly. 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 Milling is a kind, friendly and loving. Loving. Loving person. Milling is kind, friendly and loving person. Okay, now the next one is, how did life change for the villagers after the dragon came to their village? So, how did the life change? They lost their river. They lost their mountains. Dragon took ownership of their land and he destroyed many things. But after that, when he came back, he gave them the river back. No. Yes. So that also you can read your textbook and understand. Now, in your next page, you are having a beautiful activity. Okay? This activity, you have to match the columns to complete these sentences. Okay, that is, you are having 4 each. Now, let's see. When you are obedient, what will you do? When you are obedient, you do what others ask you to do. So, from 1, you can draw a line to C. When you are obedient, you do what others ask you to do. Draw a line. Then, when you are attentive, you listen to others when they speak. When you are attentive, you listen to others when they speak. When you are happy, you laugh and smile. When you are polite, you say please and thank you. So, draw lines and match it. From 1 to C, from 2 to D, from 3 to A, and from 4 to B.